Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom but don't know where to start? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to cover the basics of money management for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation to start building your financial future. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of money management, it's essential to understand what you want to achieve. What are your financial goals? Do you want to save for a down payment on a house? Pay off debt? Build an emergency fund? Whatever your goals are, write them down and make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART for short. Now that you have your financial goals in mind, it's time to track your expenses. For 1 month, write down every single transaction you make, no matter how small. This will give you a clear picture of where your money's going. You can use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or even just a notebook to track your expenses. Don't worry, it's not as painful as it sounds. Now that you have an idea of where your money's going, it's time to create a budget. A budget is not a restriction, but a plan to help you achieve your financial goals. Allocate 50-30-20. 50% of your income towards necessary expenses like rent and utilities, 30% towards discretionary spending like entertainment and hobbies, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Debt can be overwhelming, but there are strategies to manage it. First, list all your debts, starting with the smallest balance. Then, focus on paying off the smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on the others. This is called the snowball method. Alternatively, you can use the avalanche method, which involves paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses will arise. That's why it's essential to have an emergency fund in place. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a separate savings account. This fund will provide a cushion in case of job loss, medical emergencies, or car repairs. And that's it. You now have a solid foundation in money management basics. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Start implementing these strategies today, and you'll be on your way to achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.